Editing the old way is officially a massive bottleneck for your creative growth. If you are still spending your nights wrestling with heavy software like After Effects or Premiere, you are already falling behind. Content moves at a blinding pace today, and whether you are a solo creator or a business owner, you need both volume and quality immediately. The painful reality is that most creators feel forced into two terrible choices. You can either do it all yourself and waste precious weeks trapped in an editor instead of growing your audience, or you can outsource and get videos that are either overpriced or low quality. Every hour sunk into manual editing isn't just wasted time. It is missed impressions, missed trends, and missed growth. Thankfully, the entire creative landscape shifted the moment AI editors hit the market. These new tools take the grueling work off your plate and help you produce polished clips at lightning speed. But not every AI tool is built the same, and knowing the difference is key. Some are clunky, some are shallow, and only a few actually help you push content out consistently. I tested a bunch of these editors and narrowed it down to 4 that everyone is talking about. I will walk you through how each stacks up in ease of use, repurposing ability, actual output quality, and price. I will be totally honest about where they shine and where they fall short. Along the way, I will show you how Vizard fits into this without making this a hard sales pitch. My ultimate goal is to help you pick the right tool for your specific workflow. First up is Captions.ai, which feels incredibly clean and simple the moment you log in. You can describe your topic or upload a video, and everything is laid out logically on the left side. It even includes avatar tools, which are neat, but the core here is the Auto Shorts feature. The interface is intentionally minimal, which is a huge plus if you want to learn it in 5 minutes. But that extreme simplicity also means it is quite limited in power. The editing is really more templating than actual AI editing, which restricts your control. It only accepts vertical videos for the auto editor, which is a major constraint if you film in landscape. For pure ease of use, I give Captions.ai a 5 out of 5, but the editing power is weak. Next is VIT, which feels much deeper the moment you sign in. You get templates, brand kits, and a central workflow made of multiple AI apps. There is definitely more to learn here, but that extra complexity brings more creative control. VIT's auto editor is straightforward. You tell it what you want, and it handles the edit. Their AI clips let you customize short-form output much more than Captions.ai does. VIT offers magic B-roll, filler word removal, eye contact fixing, and even green screen removal. It accepts both vertical and horizontal formats, which adds a lot of flexibility. For the balance of ease of use versus power, I would rate VIT at a 4 out of 5. Submagic is built specifically for clipping and repurposing long-form content. The dashboard gets straight to the point with captions, magic clips, and audio cleanup. The whole experience is designed for creators whose workflow is turning long videos into short, platform-ready clips. It is simple, targeted, and for ease of use, I give Submagic a perfect 5 out of 5. Opus Clip arrives with a minimal polished interface, but it hides some serious power. It supports a wide range of input links like YouTube and Zoom, and it has an integrated calendar for scheduling. The extra features mean a slight learning curve, so I would rate ease of use at a 4 out of 5. Looking back, Submagic and Captions.ai win purely on simplicity, but remember, simple tools can bottleneck you later if you suddenly need more control. Now, let's talk about the actual editing results. Captions.ai's edit is almost entirely template-driven and feels a bit limited. The outputs look okay for basic clips, but don't expect nuanced cuts or pro-level pacing. I give it a 2 out of 5 for editing power, as it's usable for basic needs but not refined control. VIT is much more substantial in the editing department. You can clean audio, remove silences, and use Magic B-roll to autofill imagery related to what is being said. The Magic Cut features actually rescue a lot of rough footage by patching gaps and bad takes. The output looks flexible, so I would give VIT a 4 out of 5 for editing. Submagic is laser-focused on clipping, subtitles, and magic zooms. Those magic zooms and B-roll features really make a clip pop. The interface can feel a bit oddly organized, but the results are clean. For editing quality, I would put Submagic at a 3.5 out of 5. Opus Clip really impressed me on the editing front. It has face tracking to keep you centered, advanced speech enhancement, and filler word removal. The AI B-roll choice is surprisingly good at finding contextually relevant imagery. Overall, I give it a 4.5 out of 5 for editing power. So far, Opus and VIT look strongest on editing. But what about repurposing output? Captions.ai shorts generation can be slow, and the hooks don't always feel unique. I would give it a 3 out of 5 for shorts generation. VIT's AI clips let you pick goals, and it even rates them by engagement metrics. That rating system is useful, but the clips felt just okay, so I give VIT a 3 out of 5. Submagic is designed for lots of candidates and handles variety quite well. Its scoring felt more accurate than VIT's, so I give Submagic a 4 out of 5 for repurposing. Opus Clip truly stands out in this specific category. It doesn't just churn out clips, it evaluates which ones will actually work and lets you schedule them directly. Its hooks and clip selection were the strongest of the bunch, earning a 5 out of 5. Finally, let's talk about price. Captions.ai has a low entry plan, but it is limited, making the real value a 2 out of 5. VIT's plans can get steep pretty quickly once you add up the necessary features. It is fine, but a bit pricey, so I give it a 2 out of 5 for value. Submagic's pricing is not the most flexible, earning it a 3.5 out of 5. Opus surprised me with a very practical and scalable pricing model. For price versus performance, Opus gets a 4.5 out of 5. So where does Vizard actually fit into this landscape? The tools that help you win share a few traits. They find moments that perform, they schedule at scale, and they keep things simple. That is exactly what Vizard was built to do. Vizard's auto-editing viral clips is not a gimmick. It surfaces the moments with the highest chance of virality. You get a handful of distinct, punchy options instead of 50 nearly identical trims. The auto-schedule feature handles the heavy lifting, freeing you to focus on ideas instead of uploads. The content calendar gives you one dashboard to schedule and publish clips across all your socials. Compared to Captions, Vizard is more powerful without sacrificing control. Compared to VIT, Vizard is more focused on viral discovery and reliable scheduling. Compared to Submagic, Vizard avoids the trap of repetitive duplicates. Vizard nails the core workflow. Find the right clips, post more often, and keep it organized. If you want a steady stream of shorts without hiring an editor, Vizard is a creator-first balance. It doesn't feel like a flashy toy, it just helps you get content out consistently. At the end of the day, the best tool is the one that fits your workflow. If you want the fastest entry, Captions and Submagic are the easiest to learn. If you need advanced controls, VIT and Opus are incredibly capable. If your focus is scaling frequency with high quality, Vizard is your sweet spot. If you are still stuck exporting in After Effects, try one of these AI editors for a week. See how your output changes before you make any final decisions. Try Vizard for a boost in volume, Opus for analytics, or Submagic if clipping is your full-time job. Make more content, test fast, and stop letting manual editing hold you back. I can even lay out a 30-day plan to switch your workflow from manual to automated, no fluff. Just a practical sequence to get you posting more and growing faster. All right, that is it for now, and I will see you in the next one.